Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Jeep Cherokee. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.2-liter V6 engine with four-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Jeep has less than 168,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, tow hooks, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door, locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.